So about our new product, Archer Kontrol, it is really good for engineers as it's a very robust product. We are offering 12 to 80 contacts. It delivers 1.2 ampere per contact. There is a slight misalignment allowance. We do also have solder down taps for extra stability, and we do have shrouded housings. For us, the product is quite new, but it is a product which is very popular, and a lot of people are very impressed with the product and very interested to know more about it, to test it, to get free samples. It's definitely a big thing on this show. The durability is 500 operation, so you can mismatch it 500 times. That's what we secure it. Yeah. Some standard industry connectors don't allow quite as much, and this one definitely gives you that extra more that you need. It's a lot more robust, and as everything is moving a lot more you need more power, you need more stability, that product will give you exactly that. They're really easy to mate. They like the different stacking heights because you can obviously stack them, and we have different variations. They really like the look of that, and they like to see that with the solder down taps they give this extra stability, so they really like it, and as well that we have so many different numbers of contacts. So we can support you with free sample service, which we turn around usually within 24 hours. Each component you can have 3D models. They are from the website, free of charge, just got to sign up once. We have a live chat available with our technical team. There are 2 people sitting behind it. They're very technical. And obviously as well, my team, which is business development, can always support you with any questions you have. So the feedback we're getting for this connector is it's very good. Durability, flexibility and connectivity is all suitable.